Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to see Instagram posts that you're tagged in on Android. If you're someone who wants to stay up to date on the photos and videos that others have tagged you in, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll take you through the simple steps to see Instagram posts that you're tagged in on Android. First, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look towards the left side of the screen and tap on the Photos and Videos for You icon. This will take you to a new screen where you can see all the posts that you're tagged in. You can scroll through the posts to see the latest updates from your friends and followers. If you want to see who has tagged you in a specific post, simply tap on the post and you'll be taken to the posts page. Here, you can see who has tagged you and any other information about the post. It's worth noting that you can also adjust your settings to control who can tag you in photos and videos. To do this, go to your profile page and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From here, select Settings and then Privacy. Under the Interactions section, select Tags, and you can adjust your settings as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see Instagram posts that you're tagged in on Android. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. By following these easy steps, you can stay up to date on the posts that others have tagged you in and ensure that you have control over your Instagram experience.